Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin was just dumping down like crazy, but the bulls took over control once again once we had this very nice bounce here from the upward sloping support line we covered with DaVinci J15 here in our last video. Make sure to check it out, it went really well. And we want to tell you why this maybe happened, and this might be not only due to the golden cross which happened today, but also in regards to the Maya multiple, which flashed a very crazy signal here just a few days ago. We want to talk about that, and we will combine that with something which is very important and underestimated, and this is the price bands of the Maya multiple. We talked about the Maya multiple a few times. It is the multiple of the Bitcoin price once it is above the 200-day moving average, which is a significantly important part of the golden cross. We will talk about all of that and what it means for the Bitcoin price, which just right now went into this bullish channel here. So guys, make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button right now to at least 1,500 or even more likes. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And we are here on the daily candles for the Bitcoin price. As you can see, we not only had a very nice significant bounce here just a few hours ago here from the upward sloping support line, we also had the golden cross. Just as we mentioned 2 days ago, the golden cross will inevitably happen in this week. And guess what, guys? Of course, you don't need a crystal ball for that, but yes, it happened. And we told you in that video, guys, by the way, check it out. It's somewhere in the pinned comment if you haven't seen it, why this one is significantly different to the one we actually saw in 2019 here, which took us all the way up to 14,000 US dollars. And it's not only significantly different, it is even much more bullish for the Bitcoin price in the mid and long run. So first of all, why is that the case? Very important. This golden cross here happened after the Bitcoin price actually went above the moving average of the Maya multiple. Well, it sounds complicated, but what does that mean? You can just type in Maya multiple here at TradingView and you can check it out yourself. The Maya multiple in and of itself has a moving average, and once the price goes above the moving average of the Maya multiple, and then you see the golden cross, this is a furthermore confirmation. Also, the Bitcoin price being above the 200-day moving average, which is a very important part of the golden cross, is very important because remember, guys, in October at the Xi Jinping pump, where China pumped blockchain but not Bitcoin here towards 10,000, we went above the 200-day moving average, and of course everyone was very bullish and said, well, we are above the 200-day, this must be a bull market right now. Guys, if you look here on the downside, the Bitcoin price was way below the Maya multiple moving average, which you can find on TradingView. Whenever it's way below, this just means we haven't had consolidated enough, and this moving average haven't had went down enough for the price to go above this line. And with this massive shakeout period, we talked about the weekends being shaken out. This was finally the case. The moving average went down and the price went finally above that. And now we have a second confirmation here with a very important golden cross with the long-term moving average here being horizontal. And now, guys, combine all of these signals, which are from an historical point of view 10 years back, speaking very bullish for the Bitcoin price. Combine that with what we are about to show you right now here with the Maya multiple price bands. And guys, this is very important because in every single cycle, you see we are in bearish phases and oversold phases for a very short amount of time, then in bearish phases, consolidation, reaccumulation phases, and then we go into the bullish phase. The bullish phase, basically, it's denominated here in that yellow area here. The bullish phase is just the last stage before the parabolic bull run begins to the all-time high of the specific cycle. You can see the exact same here right now, for example, in 2012. Right? And once we went out of this, the price just went parabolic and topped out eventually very soon. The same thing happened here on a longer scale in 2016-17, where we just had this very healthy, longer, upward sloping price accumulation here. And once we actually bounced a few times from that, look at this, look at these significant bounces. Once we went out, we actually went into the bullish extension and then in the parabolic move and the overbought territory. And guys, guess what happened just 2 days ago? You at MMCrypto, because we are screening all these indicators every single day. And look at this, 2 days ago, the price just perfectly went above and is right now bouncing here from that bullish channel. So as long as we are not seeing a massive dump here below 8,500, we will probably here stay inside, have the golden cross and all these furthermore confirmations. And right now, what does that mean? Even back then, look at this Xi Jinping pump here, which took us all the way up here to 10,400 US dollars. The price was rejected actually by the bullish channel. So this was one confirmation why this pump was not sustainable. But right now we had this gradual increase here, and right now we don't only have the golden cross with a horizontal long-term moving average, we not only have the price going above the moving average of the Maya multiple, we also have the price going into that bullish channel, probably indicating that we are in this phase here of the market where we see a gradual multi-month increase before we go into the parabolic final stage where we onboard the mainstream and the price goes completely nuts, of course. If the price were not to go down significantly, we would say 8,500, we would actually stay in that very bullish key market structure, especially since we have established here kind of already a higher macro high. Now, we want to know from you guys, what do you think? Are we in that bullish phase right now, just as this indicator here suggests, and we will knock out the 14,000 price level very soon? There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Click the poll and let us know, can we knock out 14,000 US dollars until the halving end of April? Yes or no? Let us know, yes or no, 14,000 until the halving. And you today, it's the top 5 outlet there. They actually covered our coverage of the golden cross, you remember, like 2 days ago. And we just made here, look, by the way, they also covered the moon. They just made an article, a full article about that. And we talked about that this is a rare buy signal because all of these three things are coming together. And you can see here in our tweet, which they covered here, that the BTC golden cross just happened today. And this one, just as we said before, is fundamentally different and much more bullish than the one we saw in April 2019, which took us all the way up to 14,000 US dollars. So we said, guys, fasten your seatbelts. This will be a volatile, bullish ride for Bitcoin in 2020. And we truly believe so. We will leave the link for the article in the comment section down below, in the pinned comment. Make sure you go to our Twitter at MMCrypto. You support us. And also, guys, by the way, comment your favorite altcoin in the comment section down below. Upvote each other's altcoins. The next DaVinci J15 episode with an exclusive altcoin TA will come very, very soon, and we will take the most upvoted one. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you support us. There's a Bybit link here in the pinned comment. Just go to the pinned comment, click it. You can make an account in 24 seconds. It's the best leverage exchange out there. If you're a leverage trader, a successful one, an experienced one, make sure you take advantage of the free bonus in our pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.